Welcome to our WebQuest on the nitrogen cycle. During this WebQuest, your guys' task is to look at each step of the nitrogen cycle and be able to define each step as well as the chemical conversions that are happening and what organisms are doing the converting of nitrogen to ammonia, to nitrite, to nitrate, and then eventually back into ammonia gas again, or nitrogen gas again. As we remember, the atmosphere is around 78% nitrogen gas, but plants nor animals can use nitrogen gas in any meaningful way. So we have to rely on bacteria in our soil to do the job for us. During this WebQuest, we're going to look at each step, and you'll be able to describe what's going on there and understand how important the bacteria in the soil is for our nitrogen consumption. The first step of the nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation. In this step, the nitrogen gas that's in our atmosphere is usually added to the soil through precipitation, but then the nitrogen fixing bacteria, which lives in the root systems of a lot of legumes and clovers, a lot of times they are diazotrophs, they convert the nitrogen gas into ammonia, which is NH3, as you'll see in this diagram. The next step of the nitrogen cycle is nitrification. Nitrification is the conversion of the ammonia to a nitrate, which is NO2, and then further to a nitrate, which is NO3. Nitrates are very, very important. Nitrates can be uptaken by plants. Plants use those nitrates for protein synthesis. Then herbivores or omnivores eat the plants and gain some of the nitrogen for our own protein synthesis, or consumers consume other animals that had consumed the plants to gain the nitrogen so that we can do protein synthesis. The final step of the nitrogen cycle is denitrification. Denitrification is the conversion of the NO3, the nitrate, back into atmospheric nitrogen, N2. This will complete the loop, but the cycle will continue on and on and on. Nitrogen is one of the most vital aspects of our ecosystems for our bodies, for plants and animals. So without nitrogen and without the nitrogen cycle, our lives would